if you don't think that this looks good on me, like, hee hee ha ha hee hee, are you stupid? Are you dumb? Are you crazy? Pick one. You can pick one.
E. Are you guys stupid? Or are you crazy? Or are you dumb? Which one? You can pick one. Hotter than the 6 in the summer day.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What it do, baby? What it do?
What it do, baby?
Yeah, you already know.
Hi guys. Today we are going to be doing a pretty little thing haul. This is my first time ever shopping at Pretty Little Thing. Actually, that's not even the truth. I ordered just a dress from Pretty Little Thing for like a classy event a while back. That was it. So this is my first time buying more than one item from Pretty Little Thing, and the shipping wasn't too bad. It took about a week. I'm the type of chick where if I don't need it in 2 days, I'm not paying for express shipping, period. It's just not gonna happen. So I'm excited to show you guys because the hype around Pretty Little Things these days is wild, okay? It's serious. But before we get into the actual haul, today's video is sponsored by Sip Spy. This is not a new sponsor to my channel. You guys know Sip Spy well if you watch my videos consistently. Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription. You make a profile, you say what you like, what you don't like, what you want to try more of, what you want them to send you, and every single month you get a personalized, tailored for you box full of tea. I am a huge tea drinker. Like, I don't like coffee. I can't stand the taste of it. Not even like fake coffee, like coffee that has like a bunch of milk and sugar. I can't. So upon discovering that coffee was disgusting and I hated it, I gravitated towards tea, and I've always really liked tea. This is my most recent box, my October box, because my November box is in the mail right now, and they just get you. You know what I mean? You say what you want, you say what you don't want, say what you like, and they just get it. You guys should check it out. If you do decide to check it out, I have my coupon code on the screen to save you some money, okay? Because that's what we do around here. We out here getting money taken off of our monthly subscriptions and not paying for express shipping. That's okay. Let's get one thing out the way right off the bat. Pretty Little Thing has the prettiest little packaging, doesn't it? Isn't it so cute? Okay, let's get started. First thing in the haul is the only thing that I've worn already so far. I literally wore these pants the day that I got them, which was yesterday. Like, I came home and was getting ready for dinner, and I was like, I could put together like a dope chill fit with this, and I stand. These are so cute. Let me put them on for you guys. They're so cute. They're just so cute. Just plain tan colored sweatpants. If you can see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Well, you can't even really see it from the front, but I'm obsessed with these. Boom, obsessed. They're so cute. Like, you can dress these up like with a nicer top, because like the color makes it so that they're not like too chill, you know what I mean? Or you could like dress them down, like throw on like a hoodie and some nice sneakers and be on about your way. Like, I don't know, I just really rock with these sweatpants. The material's really good. Like, they're thick enough. My legs were warm and it was like pretty cold last night. So yeah, that's the first item. I'm sorry, but my body lately, fabulous, obsessed. I could even, like, in the summertime, like on some chill-ish, I could wear like a top like this with some sweatpants, like a cute pair of sneakers. Like, so cute. Okay, next item, because like I want to live in these. I want to live in them, so we have to move on, or I'll just live in these. Next item is this bodysuit. This is one of their like shape things. Like, it's supposed to like really like suck you in and shape you all nice. And I tried this on yesterday. I haven't worn it anywhere yet. I just tried it on. It does that when you like cinch the little shirt. Let me show you. If you don't think that this looks good on me, like, hee hee ha ha hee hee, are you stupid? Are you dumb? Are you crazy? Pick one. You can pick one.
E. Are you guys stupid? Or are you crazy? Or are you dumb? Which one? You can pick one.
And then this, like, you pull and it cinches. Why do I keep saying that word weird? Cinch. you like pull it and it cinches more. Oh my God, my kind of party, honestly. Look, take a look at this. Get a hold of this, okay? It's off the shoulder, which I really like. And it's not like an uncomfortable off the shoulder, like I can move a fair amount, you know, you can play Guitar Hero in it. I love this. This is like sexy without being too modest, but also not being too revealing. I really like that. The only thing I have to say that I don't, not even that I dislike, but that is just like a thing. This, like the bottom part almost looks like the shirt is a crop top, but then I have like biker shorts or something, or like spandex or shapewear pulled all the way up. I was thinking that when I had it on with like regular blue jeans, I was like, but I guess if you pull it up more, then it's like fine. But then the cutouts, it's kind of awkward. I don't know. I still really like the shirt, but that's just like the one thing I wanted to note. What's the next thing? Oh, this little crop top was so flippin' cute. The neckline, the cut, the length, it was all so cute. Okay, this I had to try on with a bra because I just knew it was gonna like hit different with a bra on. You know what I mean? I feel like Aaliyah, like with the super tight, super short top right now and the sweatpants. Am I giving Aaliyah or is it just me? You can't tell nobody, I'm talking about nobody. Or like Tiana Taylor, yes. This outfit is giving me super Tiana Taylor vibes with like, especially a cute pair of sneakers. I've been really into my sneakers lately. I don't know why. But this crop top, I know it was short. I didn't expect it to be this short, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't still slap. It's so cute. Obsessed. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. No, for real. I'm really like looking in the camera right now like, what the heck? This is so cute. This is like really gonna hit in the summertime. I can't really wear this right now, obviously, but I thought it was so cute and it was gonna look so flattering on me. I had to get it. It's freezing outside. It's like 40 degrees, but I can still wear it in the house. But yeah, this is so cute. And the color is really unique too. It's like an Earl Grey. Is that what they call this color? An Earl Grey. So, look at me. Okay, paint swatches, but yeah. What's next? Let's see what's next. Y'all, I don't even be remembering what I ordered, and I'm dead serious. Oh, yeah. This is a white, like crop top. It ruches on the side. I've actually wanted a t-shirt like this for a while. Oh, it's not even that cropped. Good, because I don't want it like super, super cropped. Let's try this on. I'm excited about this. Alright, so boom. Why did I just think of that stupid little video? This shirt is pretty much what I expected it to be. Oh, it's fake. It's not real ruching. Like, you know how regular ruche things, you can like pull it and it gets tighter? This doesn't do that. I don't hate this. I'm just not obsessed with it, in love with it, you know? I like it, actually. I do like it. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting from this. It is just as it was advertised. So I don't really know what I was expecting or why I feel let down by this top. Like, this is what it looks like on the model. This is the shirt I ordered. Again, another top that matches good with these sweatpants. These sweatpants slap. They slap, okay? They go good with everything. Look at them. Okay. The last and final item of the haul. Very conservative. Very like, hee, take me home to meet your mama, you know? It is this bodysuit. It's very frilly and girly and like a lot softer than I usually dress. So like, let me just show you. Now, maybe I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure I got a small in this. And it kind of fits like an extra small. Like, it's very tight around the underwear area. It's really cute. I don't have a bra on to avoid bra straps. So no bra or strapless bra with this top. Or if you have like one of those bras that like, you know, are made to not have straps here, just wear a strapless bra. Oh, that's so confusing. It's like so girly and frilly. It's like, take me home to meet your mom. She won't like me in a few months because you're gonna lie about me to her, but take me to meet your mama. And then this ruche is here too, so like you can loosen it up and it's like comes higher up, or you can ruche it down and go V-neck, baby. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut that tag. Oh, the material's a little see-through. So So wear a black bra if you're gonna wear one. But, or yeah, you should wear a bra with this. Thank you guys so much for even watching this little video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Sips By. My coupon code and a link to sign up for Sips By is gonna be in the description box below. And if you guys want, I will tag the clothing that I purchased in the description box so that you can just like click through the links and purchase them as well. Thank you for enjoying this video. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram because most of the time, my pictures be popping. My Insta stories are juicy. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah. Yeah, she keep giving me love.